Apple trees are an important agricultural crop in Watsonville. Farm workers provide important essential work by planting the trees and trimming the trees and harvesting the apples when they are ready. When the apples are ripe, the farm workers have to climb high into the trees using ladders to pick the apples growing on the edge of the branches. On windy days, the leaves can blow off of the trees and the apples can fall down. Make sure to write your name and that we're painting apple trees on a windy day. Use your pencil to very lightly sketch the foreground. Those are the things closest to you. The apple tree will be in the foreground. And then I'm putting in a ladder to draw the farm worker climbing the ladder to pick apples high up in the tree. Now it's time to sketch the background. Those are the things farther away, like the hills. Use your crayons to go over the different lines in your sketch. You can draw the leaves that are blowing in the wind. Those will be flying through the air. And then use a white crayon to make the wind blowing through the air. That will show up when you paint the sky. You can erase the lines that you don't need anymore. And then make sure to use the sponge and wet your paper to get ready to watercolor. It's important to keep your brush very wet so it looks like a lion's tail. If the brush is too dry, it's hard to paint. Start with your lightest watercolors first. I'm starting with yellow to make the dry hills, and I'm mixing in some green to show grass growing on the hills too. Cover your whole painting with a watercolor paint. When you're painting the sky, make sure to move your brush back and forth across like the sky goes across.